Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to explain about the Literature Festival. Literature Festival is an event that makes literature its object by involving readers, literacy critic, academic, researcher, literacy activities, and the general public. This event can be in the form of poetry, short story, reading, poetry reading competition, poetry musicalization, literature discussion, anthology gathering, book launch, and book fairs. Literature festivals in Europe. Literature and festivals do not go well together. Literature is thought by most people a solitary experience, whether of the reader with festival are about entertainment and performance. And that among the arts, literature is the one genre which has resisted to festivalization for long. Literature festival took off in the 1980s in the United Kingdom. In 1983, the Edinburgh International Book Festival was launched. 5 years later, Hay-on-Wye both festivals are today iconic in the field, and their radius of influence has grown beyond their national borders. This is the three festivals at glance. The first is Hay-on-Wye Literature Festival. The second is the International Literature Festival in Berlin. The last is the Borderlands Festival. The first is Hay-on-Wye Literature Festival. The Hay-on-Wye Festival has grown into an iconic literature event in less than a quarter of a century after being launched in 1988 as a small-scale poetry festival with not more than a few hundred visitors. There are the three concerns about the Hay-on-Wye Festival. It is location the 1900 inhabit and the book town in the vicinity of Brecon Beacon National Park on the border between England and Wales. The timing every year around the last long weekend in May. And it is mission to promote the exchange of ideas through conversation and the love of books. The festival has otherwise changed dramatically since its inception in 1988, and this change has been one of growth. The second is the International Literature Festival in Berlin. The comma is the logo of the International Literature Festival Berlin on the ILB, and the acronym written in lowercase to avoid a mix-up with the acronym of the Bank of the State of Brandenburg. The Berlin Literature Festival came to life in 2001 when Ulrich Schreiber, its founder and director, managed to obtain a grant from the German Lottery Foundation with the support of the capital city's public administration in charge of cultural affairs. Today, the festival forms part of the Berliner Festspiele, which extends throughout the year, comprising several arts events and as symbolic of Berlin's growth in the cultural metropolis of international standing. The third is the Borderlands Festival. The European Borderlands Festival, the third literature festival studied by Europe Festival Project, is one such example. Borderlands Festival was launched in 2006 by the Alliance Cultural Foundation and the Literary Colloquium Berlin LCB, with the aim of supporting young poets and writers working in Eastern Europe, with the new EU members and non-members, and promoting networking among themselves and with their colleagues from Western Europe. The Alliance Cultural Foundation is the non-profit arm of one of the big insurance companies in Europe, namely Allianz SI. It was founded in 2000 with the inspiration of building bridges for the youth of Europe. That is a little explanation and example about the Literature Festival, and the next material of festival will be further explained by Siska Bintang Permata.
Music as a festival's cosmopolitan. What are cosmopolitan space and what do they mean for European culture? Firstly, a rough definition of a cosmopolitanism could capitalize on the old-fashioned notion of a positive attitude toward international and translocal identity. This is still an important sense as our field research has showed. Second, we can underline an attitude of curiosity and interest, both intellectual and emotional. Furthermore, Europe is not without its moving borders, but symbolical and institutional. Cosmopolitan space can be transient, ephemeral instant where art and ideals come together. Music festivals are classic example of participatory experiences that unite aesthetic and social ideals and imaginaries in discrete but temporary space. Such space also have other identities. A classic Italian Hilton Perugia, a vibrant European tourist destination and regional capital Barcelona, and British aristocratic country estate Carlton Park, whilst this space becomes subsumed temporarily by the influx of festival goers. The festivals become marks in a cultural calendar that fix this space within a global cultural cartography. Of course, the three music festivals discussed here are just a small part of the huge European music festival scene. Importantly though, they are also all pioneers in festivals in their respective genres of jazz, electronic, and world music. Umbria Jazz. This aspect can be easily exemplified by describing the case of the Umbria Jazz Festival, which takes place every year in July in the relatively small city of Perugia in the central and hilly Italian region of Umbria. Founded in 1973, over the past 3 decades, Umbria Jazz has become one of the most artistically important as well as publicly successful jazz music festivals in Europe, and arguably in the world. The 10-day-long 2010 edition, for example, confirmed the festival's prominent role with about 400,000 visitors for almost 400 concerts and total taking of more than €1 million. Sonar. The second element useful for understanding how music festivals can help in developing a cosmopolitan attitude and context is how they produce different forms of intense and passionate participation in their audiences. Sonar takes place every year in Barcelona in June and is attended by more than 80,000 from across the world. Represent the most well-known electronic music festival in the world, and this worldwide success has also enabled the festival to hold smaller events in other cities such as London, New York, and Tokyo. During the 3 days and nights of the festivals, young people from different countries meet in Barcelona to listen to music and dance, to get to know people with different cultures and origins, and to enjoy together the joyful and sunny context of the city. Number 3 is format. The third reason why music festivals present a direct relation with a cosmopolitan dimension relates to the fact that more than other kinds of art, music is able to translate the musical cultures of diverse places and people, and make universal experiences out of them. Turning the culturally specific into a shareable experience appears to be a hallmark of world music as genre and of format as a festival which occurs around the world. Women does this through different performance space, arena type stage, intimate dance, etc.
Melanjutkan penjelasan dari Mbak Siska Bintang, kali ini saya akan membahas tentang festival film yang berkembang di Eropa. Dalam perkembangan individualisme, muncul bioskop rumah. Secara kolektif juga timbul untuk mengadakan festival. Federasi Asosiasi Film Internasional yang dibuat pada tahun 1933 menyimpan daftar festival penting, dan 8 diantaranya berada di Eropa. Untuk ibu kota seperti Berlin atau kota historis lainnya, festival film tidak diselenggarakan di sana, namun diselenggarakan di kota Cannes. Bukan hanya perihal festival film, namun juga soal citra dan branding, dengan tujuan untuk menaikkan citra kota tersebut. Festival tidak hanya sebuah perayaan, tetapi juga pada citra kota tersebut. Sebagian besar festival terkait dengan proses pendanaan. Yang kedua, festival juga berfungsi sebagai kerangka politik nasional yang mencerminkan kosmopolitan yang melampaui batas negara. Yang ketiga, festival film juga memiliki andil dalam rangkaian film internasional. Festival film di Berlin didirikan oleh pasukan pendudukan AS pada 1951. 3 peristiwa penting memainkan peran dalam perkembangannya. Yang pertama, pembangunan tembok pada tahun 1961 yang mengakhiri pemutaran khusus yang diselenggarakan untuk Berlin Timur. Yang kedua, tahun 1989, jatuhnya tembok Berlin menjadikan kembalinya festival ke Berlin Timur dan lebih umum. Yang ketiga, pembentukan Potsdamer-Platz pada tahun 2000. The Mostra masih menjadi acara bergengsi nasional yang besar. Festival ini juga didukung oleh politik. Festival ini juga menjadi instrumen kebijakan budaya nasional dan diperebutkan di tingkat politik. Festival film Cannes menarik sekitar 30.000 penonton. Mereka disortir menjadi sistem hierarki yang ketat, yang terdiri lebih dari 30 jenis akreditasi. Namun, pada akhirnya keberhasilan sebuah festival film juga dalam hal ini bergantung pada kemampuannya untuk menyeimbangkan kepentingan dua komunitas yang berbeda. Yang pertama yaitu para pengunjung utama dari luar negeri dan para penduduk lokalnya. Untuk selanjutnya akan diteruskan oleh Mbak Uswatun Hasanah.
Festival have always been part of city life, but the relationship with their host cities has continually changed. The Urban Festival has become popular organizational from for creating experience, speech, and for marketing cities. Festivals are often strategical, conceived with the purpose of promoting a distinctive city in line with uniqueness being the keystone of success in the experience economy. Jadi kadangkala festival di sebuah kota tersebut dijadikan sebuah wadah organisasi untuk mengungkapkan, untuk menampilkan pengalamannya, kebolehannya, dan untuk dijadikan untuk memajukan ekonomi pada sebuah kota tersebut. Dan sebuah festival perayaan di sebuah kota biasanya pada awalnya itu bisa seringkali dikaitkan dengan hal-hal yang mistis. Dan untuk contohnya yang pertama yaitu the Venice Biennale. The Venice Biennale is one of the oldest contemporary festivals in general. Today, the Biennale is a major festival in nation. Activities include the art and architecture biennales, and well as the dance, music, theater, and cinema festival. Has its own pronunciation, being the biggest in England and second only the Edinburgh in UK. It has an articulate structure made up of several festivals with a focus on performing arts, but important section also in the literature and visual art. 1941, following the end of the Second World War, the Vienna Festival was an instrument for establishing Vienna as a music and opera capital. But as Vienna recovered its reputation in this respect, especially through the reinvention of powerful cultural institutions such as the concert hall and the Vienna Opera House, the Wiener Festspiele gradually turned in its attention to other genres and dared become more experimental also with respect to music and opera.
And the last, I want to explain about music festivals and local identities. Music and local identities. Music works as a cultural tool in the construction of locality, in the domestication of space, transforming it into a place and that could be associated with and claim to belong to particular groups, be they age group, ethnic groups, or social classes. Festivals are often founded and organized in order to increase the touristic value and consequently promote the commercial attractiveness as well as the public image of specific, sometimes only relatively known or appreciated local context. These kinds of relationships between art festivals and the localities in which they take place appear quite diversified and mutable at the same time. In particular, on the one hand, many festivals remain intrinsically embedded in specific local contexts through which their identity and tragically constructed, promoted, and defined. This diversified and mutable scenario is quite explicitly represented by 3 music festivals which have been studied within the Eurofestival Research Project: Umbria Jazz, Sonar, and Moment. Umbria Jazz. 3 main domains through which the Umbria Jazz Festival is locally embedded. First of all, the history of Umbria Jazz clearly shows the relevance of the local political territorial networks. The festival could not have ever been founded and developed in 1970s without being strongly embedded within urban and regional webs of political power. The festival's local insertion proved particularly crucial during the inception period, but equally it still remains extremely relevant today. Secondly, the realizations of festival and the international activities of the Umbria Jazz Foundation, local enterprises and firms and corporations, this local embedding can prove to be the determining factor. Thirdly, the artistic director and the managerial staff of the festival have always carefully organized the manifestation by exploiting and evolving the symbiotic relationship with the highly peculiar socio-cultural context. Sonar. The Sonar Festival organizes other musical events held in different cities over the world yearly. These events are called Tests of Sonar and have regularly characterized the festival activities over the last 8 years. In 2009, these events held in New York, Washington, USA, and London, UK. These events clearly represent a useful tool to project not only the festival, but more in general the local identity of the city of Barcelona all over the world. For all the local music-related activities, Sonar represents the peak period and is commonly referred to as Sonar Week and flyers and programs of clubs and bars. WOMED. The WOMED formula is sensibly pursued in its different locales. It takes account of and uses local artists, local politics and policies, local production crews, and so on. In doing so, by allowing itself to be shaped by these local cultural, economic, and political forces, it starts to become part of the local cultural landscape, discovered by artists and audiences, funded by local institutions and sponsored, attended by locals, nationals, and international. So the conclusion of the material that our group has conveyed is about festivals and events in Europe. Hopefully our presentation is useful, and the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.